Like many of you, I too was battling with a question for some time. Why should I learn regular expressions or regex? I first saw regular expressions in action many years ago, watching some Unix gurus in action. They were using awk, a language for text processing. These magicians, with just a few lines of code, were able to do wonderful things. It was beautiful to watch. Since that moment, I saw regex in action many times. As always, it did a lot with little code. But each time I thought of learning regex, an inner voice would interject. That looks difficult. But all that changed in the recent past. Data suddenly was everywhere and meant everything. In fact, people are calling it the new oil. Data scientists are in great demand, and so is anything to do with data. People are talking about statistical learning, machine learning, predictive methods, deep learning, and generating stories out of data, and much, much more. The problem, however, is that all data is not created equally. You may want to train an algorithm on data or create a scatter plot on data, but the data itself may not be in a condition for you to do anything useful with it. You would need to clean it, to trim it, to replace it, to correct it, and only then can it be turned into something useful. So what is a great way to pre-process our data? Through regular expressions, of course. Regular expressions are an important part of your toolkit. If you have anything to do with data, you need regular expressions.